What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Gumball Waterson. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come in and around towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye, going all the way around. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go to the bottom right side of the left eye. We're going to draw the muzzle. We're going to curve this up, in towards the right eye, round this out, and just pull that back up towards the point. On the top center, let's draw the nose with a curve coming down and up. And then in the middle of the nose, draw a straight line coming down. Let's open up the mouth. Starting back on the left side, come straight down, round out the mouth, and just tuck that up on the right side. Now over on the left side, we'll draw a straight angled line for the tooth. And then we'll add the tongue across the bottom. Starting on the left, curve this up and then down. Let's add those thick eyebrows across the top of each eye. So let's start on the left. Then this up and then in. Line it up on the right side. That's going to round out the ends of the eyebrow, just pulling them back in. And it'll close off the top with a curve. Just fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from here we move out to the side and draw the outside perimeter of the head. Let's start with the left side. In between the eyebrows we're going to step up. Let's start with a point. I just want to curve around the face, going out, come around the eye, come down. I'm just going to pull that in just underneath the mouth in the center. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to curve the right side, going out, around the face, and we'll just bring that down beside the right eye. Let's go back down to the bottom. I'm just going to bump out the bottom half of the face. We're going to go across, round out the cheek, and then pull that back in. Now we're going to add three whiskers on the left side. Straight line going up and in, step down, draw two more. Let's go over towards the bottom right and add two coming in. Along the top center of the head, let's draw in the ear. So we're going to start on the left, bend this up, round out the ear, and then pull that back down. Let's add that same shape over on the right side, going out, round out the ear, and then bend that back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start on the left side with a short line coming down towards the arm. And I want to add a curve coming up, so start on the inside, go up towards the neck, go around, and come straight down towards the wrist. Let's flatten off the wrist. I'm just going to pull it straight up, so I'm going to leave a gap along the inside of the arm. Now let's tuck the hand in underneath, starting from the bottom corner, curve this around, and then back up. Let's separate the fingers with two curves. Let's move over towards the right side. We're going to draw a straight line coming down to right about there. Let's round out the hip, going out, bend this in, come straight in behind the hand. Now in the center of the hip, draw a straight line going across. In the middle, add a curve. And then from both sides, I'm just going to draw two straight angled lines. Let's go back to the arm, draw a straight line going across, and then inside, draw two lines coming down. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of the body on the left, draw a straight angled line coming across and down, go in behind the shoulder, draw that same angled line. Now I'm going to draw the outside edge of the right arm. So I'm going to line up the shoulders, bend this out, and then come straight down toward the hip. line up that trim. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body. Starting on the left side, draw a straight angled line coming down and out. Go straight across. And what's up underneath the body. Let's split this in half with a straight line coming down the middle. And then add the cuff. Now we want to point the feet going out. Starting from the bottom corner, curl this out, come around and then up in the middle. Draw that same foot going out towards the right and then back in. Let's separate the toes with 2 curves on either side. And then finally, we're going to bring the tail coming out from underneath the hand. Coming down and out. Trace this along the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Gumball Watterson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.